Now, from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, here we are in the final week of January, and our weather pattern really quiet for this time of the year. Even though we might see a little bit of rain and snow at times on Wednesday, it does not look like a big deal. And once that little system gets out of here, looks like it's clear sailing pretty much through the upcoming weekend, which is the first one in February. So a live look at our network of Doppler radar is all quiet this evening, and that will be the case until Wednesday morning when that scattered light rain-snow mix gradually approaches from the west. Live view from downtown Owensboro, that's our Kincaid Insurance Group tower camera looking down on Smothers Park and the riverfront. Our IMAR tower camera off the top of Fifth Third Bank looking down on the Evansville riverfront. You can see a little bit of fog trying to develop out there right now with a temperature of 31. Remember, our afternoon high was 32, so very little change in the temperature or the humidity, and a light north breeze at 6 miles per hour. Most of the area right now in the lower 30s, including 32 in Owensboro, 30 in Carmel. We had some clearing earlier today with sunshine in our southern counties. It has since clouded up, but you get right on the other side of that cloud line, and that's where the dense fog is beginning to develop right now down in Marion, Kentucky, Crittenden County, visibility less than a mile. So if we see more breaks in the clouds work their way to the northeast, some patchy dense fog could be an issue for the morning drive. So make sure you check in with Ron and Joe on daybreak, and they'll let you know if there's going to be any issues heading out the door. That's the only issue we have really for tomorrow, is this deck of stratus clouds kind of reinforced by any fog that develops overnight. And I switched the color table to better show you the southern edge of those low clouds, which has actually been sinking southward, and now most of the tri-state is overcast. And for the overnight hours, that may not be a bad thing. That would suppress the fog from really getting thick, but you can see a little clearing south of the western Kentucky Parkway. The models are indicating, though, that we could see these clouds mix out a little bit overnight. Future Tracker indicates that, so maybe some patchy dense fog, and then we see a lot of clouds again tomorrow, maybe a little sun, not quite as cold as it was today. Temperatures a little closer to normal, mid-30s in the northern fringe, around 40 here in the metro, and then low to mid-40s as you head south towards the western Kentucky Parkway. Now, the clouds tomorrow night will be increasing, and by daybreak Wednesday will be around 30 degrees. No issues for the morning drive. And as we head through the day, this little wintry mix is going to try to develop. A little rain coming up from the south early in the afternoon. That little snow tries to get into our western counties a bit later in the day, but temperatures will be rising through the 30s. So even if we do see a little snow here, it should not be sticking in most locations. And then everything ends on Wednesday night. And then we just get back to another mostly cloudy day with temperatures a bit warmer on Thursday with highs in the lower 40s. So overnight, variable clouds, a little patchy dense fog developing, especially off to the southwest of Evansville, 26 to 30 for the low. More clouds and sun tomorrow, not quite as cold as today. 36 to the north, 45 to the south. Will be right around 40 here in the metro. 7-day forecast Wednesday, mostly cloudy, little scattered light rain and snow developing as we head through the day, and then ending Wednesday night with a high upper 30s to around 40, and then mostly cloudy Thursday and Friday. Low 40s Thursday, mid to upper 40s Friday. We're near 50 on Saturday, very windy. Another weak system coming through, but just looking over the latest guidance, it's even drier with this system for Friday night and Saturday. So maybe a spotty shower or two, that'll be about it. More significant clearing finally on Sunday with a windy high of 52, and Monday will be the payoff. More sun than clouds and high temperatures up around 60 degrees as we work for the first through the first full week of February. So slow warm up is on the way. Maybe a few snowflakes Wednesday, but still no significant snow in our future.
All right. Thank you, Wayne.